Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. As you know, I am MD in Ayurvedic medicine and MD in Ayurvedic physiology. For paid online consultation, you can definitely WhatsApp on 922681060. My dear friends, today we are going to discuss about another Ayurvedic medicinal plant, that is Changeri. So let us understand what is the uses, what are the properties of the Ayurvedic medicinal plant, that is Changeri. Here you can see the products from the Changeri, that is Changeriadi Ghrita is available, and various other products are also available. The family of Changeri is Oxalidaceae. Latin name Oxalis Corniculata. Synonyms of Changeri: Amla Patrika, Amla Parnika. The regional names of the Changeri: in Marathi it is called as Ambuti, in Hindi it is called as Tinpatiya. This is a small procumbent herb spreading on the ground and growing in services also. Changeri is usually found in the warmer belt of India and in the Himalayas up to height of 2000 meters. The useful part of Changeri is Panchang, that is the 5 elements of the plant: roots, leaves, stem, flower, and fruits. Let us see the properties of Changeri. The taste is sour and astringent. Post-digestive effect is sour and potency is hot. The properties are light and dry. The actions on the bioenergies: Changeri is Kapha Vata Shamak due to its hot potency, but Changeri can increase the Pitta dosha. Let us see the uses of Changeri. Actually, Changeri is an anti-inflammatory and analgesic. So, Changeri paste can be applied to purification of the wound and also the headache. Changeri is also having the scraping in its action, so it is useful in the skin problems and the eye diseases, like for example pterygium and the cataract. How Changeri is acting on the digestive system and excretory system. Changeri is appetizer, Changeri is carminative, and Changeri is also useful for the liver stimulant. Because of its sour taste and because of the astringent taste, it can be used in the cases of anorexia, indigestion, then enteritis or the chronic colitis, and also amoebiasis. Changeri can be used in the cases of prolapse of the rectum. Actually, Changeri brings back the tone to the muscular tissues of the anus, which is lost due to the acute or the chronic dysentery. Changeri Siddha Ghrita, that is medicated ghee, can be given internally, and swab soaked in Changeri processed oil can be applied locally with the tight tea bandage for 3 weeks. Changeri is useful for the piles or the hemorrhoids. Because of its sour taste and hot potency, Changeri does the Agni Deepana, that increasing the appetite, and because of the astringent taste, it contracts the engorged anal blood vessels and reduces the progress of piles. Changeri is also heart tonic, so it can be used in various heart problems. Changeri has a stringent taste and it also improves the cardiac muscle tone. So Changeri is useful in congestive cardiac failure. But try to understand, as it is having a stringent taste, it may not be very useful in the ischemic heart diseases. Changeri is used in the cases of fever, especially when the fever is having the origin as an indigestion created toxin like ama. Especially Changeri is used when the fever or the pathogenesis enters up to the osseous tissue and the nervous tissue. So it is very helpful for the cases of malaria or the typhoid. Changeri is also useful to control the poisonous effect of the various elements. For example, Changeri eliminates alcohol intoxication symptoms like delirium, and also it is helping to treat the cases of Dhatura plant poisoning. Changeri also try to control the drowsiness and stimulate the consciousness. Hence, Changeri fresh juice is useful to treat alcohol intoxication. Now, the dose of Changeri, when it is used as a fresh juice, 5 to 15 ml, then there are products from the Changeri, Changeri Ghrita medicated ghee, Changeri processed oil. My dear friends, Changeri Ghrita can be used in the cases of chronic colitis, piles, rectal prolapse, and dysuria, and also amoebiasis in a dose of 10 to 20 gram. My dear friends, kindly remember as a disclaimer, you have to take the help of the medical health professionals whenever necessary. If anybody of you having physical and mental problem, do not hesitate for the paid online consultation by WhatsApp on 9226810630. My dear friends, I request all of you to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get a very interesting information about Ayurveda and medicine in general. Thank you very much. We will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you and bye-bye.